Do you need emergency drywall repair in Brooklyn? Well, we do drywall installations and repairs in Brooklyn. We've been helping homeowners just like you with emergency services for a lot of years. What kind of services do we offer? We offer the following: drywall repair, water damage drywall repair, drywall installation, drywall remodeling, metal stud framing, drywall demolition, drywall patching, room addition drywall remodels, smoke and fire damage drywall repair, plaster repair, smooth wall, spray texture or hand texture, plaster crack repairs, ceiling and wall repair, texture matching, acoustic popcorn ceiling removal and texture, flood drywall repair, and drywall patches. So remember, if you're looking for a drywall installer or repair person in any kind of situation, whether it's an emergency, if you're planning on some kind of remodel project or an addition, contact us today at 888-214-7090.